Hi guys, Anatollah from Audio Direct, and it's not every day that you get to film something as fantastic as this beast, this 707 brake horsepower Dodge SRT Hellcat. This thing is an absolute animal. Everywhere we're going, it is just turning heads, and it's this little badge that does it. Anyone who knows American muscle cars knows that this thing is pretty much the pinnacle of where it is at the moment. And what has Audio Direct done for this monster? Well, take a look. We'll start in the back, because that's where one of the elements we've installed is this dash cam, to ensure that while the owner, the very lucky owner, is cruising around in this monster, that his ride is protected. You can see, you can actually, the way we've installed it, you can simply plug this in, and let's start this beast up and show you what it's all about. In fact, it's the noise. It really is the noise. Oh, this thing is just superb. Of course, that Hellcat logo. And switch this bad boy on. What you'll notice, you get that little NEXTBASE. We've tucked the cable in to the headlining. Absolutely no mark, no damage to the vehicle as you'd expect. There's no SD card in there at the moment. We're just going to pop that in, and then it's all operational. It's already been tested and configured so that we get the best viewing angle on this thing. Sure that no one's too close to this, but normally it's the back end of this that people tend to see, because 707 brake horse. This thing is an absolute animal, but don't worry, I know the owner's going to be watching this video. We did put our foot down. We are very careful with the cars. But I tell you what, I got to admit, I was tempted. When you see that Hellcat logo and everyone at the lights just wants to race this thing, it's bizarre. So, Anatollah from Audio Direct, guys. And remember, we do a host of upgrades, in-car entertainment, facilities, whatever you guys desire, whatever vehicle. We've got pretty much something for everyone. Branded, Android, upgrades, so on and so forth. We are exceptionally careful with our clients, our in-car entertainment families, vehicles, and we really do appreciate the trust that you guys show when you're handing us keys to something like this. So thanks guys, speak soon.